Good morning, and thank you for joining me on what has become a annual pre-Thanksgiving tradition here at the Parker household. It is the annual Dissecting of the Bird. We've done it many years in the past, and it seems to be something that is deeply embedded in family history at this juncture. First of all, I'm going to point out a tool you may recognize. It's the Ryobi reciprocating saw. It's not really surgical quality as it probably should be for an operation like this, but it has worked in the past, and I am pretty much assuming that it will continue to work well for us. This is the blade we'll be using today. It's a rapid demolition blade, cryogenically treated cold fire. It's pretty easy to mount the blade into the saw itself. Little catch here, and I think we're good to go. You know what I didn't take into account today is a place to plug the saw in. Let me get that ready. Well, right over here. There we go. And there's old Tommy Two-Tone. Weighs according to the slip that's on him, and I'm sure the people at the turkey farm are honest. Pretty much the way that we are in the lumber business. Honest people. The slip, maybe you can see it, maybe you can, says 22¼ pounds. So all things being equal, we should wind up with whatever, 11⅛ pounds. What's this? The neck. One of my favorite parts, actually. It's blowing like crazy out today. A cold front went through. The wind is whipping like crazy. It just blew the cover off the bird feeder out there. I thought somebody was actually attacking us. That doesn't seem to be the case. We don't need any extra fat for this procedure, so we'll just fling that kind of stuff. I guess we're pretty much ready to go. I'm always a little bit nervous beginning the procedure. Although my son Ben is a cardiologist, certified cardiologist now, I possess no such medical skills. So anyway, let's have at it, shall we? This is probably a little more blade than we need. You know what I'm thinking? A knife. A second here. Let's cut some of this. I don't think that would be a bad idea. Give us a place to be working from. Sometimes I surprise myself with my own ingenuity. Not often, but I was watching the other day. I was watching Jacques Pippin. You know him? And the inestimably wonderful Julia Child. They were cooking duck and using similar procedures to this, except they weren't using. Sorry, hand's a little greasy. Yeah, that's going to do it. I mean, really, how easy is that? Check it out. See? Ugh! Sorry, my shoulder. Did I tell you about my shoulder? Ugh. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. What I've done to myself again. It's too bad we don't have a cameraman, because it would be... That's a bit of a messy spot down in there. Next we're going to flip the bird over. You can see, I mean, he won't be dancing any longer. And once again, I think I'll cut the old tailbone, and we're going to go right down the middle of the backbone. And I'll just give us a little line to guide us. You know, it's funny. I always think of a lot of funny things to say before I start actually doing this, but once you get engaged, it's difficult to keep your wits about yourself with the task at hand and be witty as well. Okay. Phase 2. This is where it gets. Not bad. Getting there. Just need to somehow prop this up a tad. Okay. And this should do it. Like that. Voila. Voila. 2 birds, 1 stone, 1 saw. Sorry. At any rate, that pretty much concludes this year's Sawing of the Bird. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving. Don't forget to phone home. Say hi to your parents. Thank you, and be well.